Have you ever opened your notes and felt like, have I even read this? Have I even written this note by myself? Like, am I even able to recall anything? Let me be honest and tell you something that this is something we all have felt it, okay? I have felt it when I was preparing. You also feeling the same things. And if you're feeling this, let me tell you something. You are completely normal. You are completely normal functioning human, okay? This is the time where we all go through these feelings of, more I'm revising, the more I'm forgetting, the more times I revise, the worse it gets, okay? And I completely get it because I was at a position, I was at a place, same, feeling same things when you're back. And firstly, I want you to believe this one thing that you have to stop thinking that I'm forgetting this, I'm forgetting that. ये याद नहीं रहेगा, वो याद नहीं रहेगा exam में. Stop. Okay, put a pause to that thoughts, to those thoughts. You will remember everything in exam eventually. Every time what happens, you're putting a pressure on your brain. You are testing yourself कि ये याद रहना चाहिए, okay, you don't have to forget this. We put ourselves, we keep pressurizing ourselves कि ये भूलना नहीं है, this MCQ is important. You think that okay, ये point important, and every point you feel like okay, this should not be forgotten. And you keep on pressurizing yourself so much that you will eventually forget if you pressure yourself so much. So first thing is that you have to believe in yourself, in your brain, that yes, whatever I'm reading is what I am remembering, and I will not forget it. It will come into exam. It is somewhere in my folders of my brain, and it will come out on the day of the exam when I need it. And I know as we are heading towards the exam, we all have this constant fear of के exam में क्या पता क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आए तो व्हाट इफ आई विल नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल एनीथिंग और व्हाटएवर. ओके, बट एक बात बताऊं, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू राइट नाउ इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली कोई स्ट्रैटेजी में आई डोंट वांट टू गिव एनी स्ट्रैटेजी और revision topics because you all have it, and I don't want to overburden you all with all new topics, set of topics for each subjects. You all have a timetable, you all have a list of everything you need right now. What I want to say is just stop pressurizing yourself, and please read everything like you're reading it for the last time. पहले तो याद रख लो, ठीक है? एंड डोंट प्रेशराइज योरसेल्फ कि बस याद रखना ही है. प्रेशर मत डालो खुद पे कि ये सब बस ये याद रखना ही है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस, ओके? Like lightly read everything very lightly, because what will happen eventually if you keep on testing yourself so much, your brain will feel underconfident. You will start believing that you don't know anything, you will not be able to recall anything, and धीरे धीरे your brain starts believing what you keep on telling yourself. So you have to keep on saying this thing to yourself that yes, I will remember, yes, I will pass, and yes, it is somewhere in my brain right now. Believe me, like guys, this is the most crucial time. This is the time like you have to build your confidence. Do not keep on saying negative things to you. And I know because I have felt this, I have like done this to myself, and I really want you to prevent it from this, because the more you keep on saying negative things to yourself, the more your brain will believe it. And this is the time where you have to build your confidence. You have to increase the momentum. You have to increase your study hours. You have to increase your inner confidence, and it will only come when you will read multiple times. So one advice which I would like to give is like, do not get stuck at one subject. Okay, if something feels like you're not getting it, move on. Just try to read your notes. Fast reading karna seekho is time pe, do that more, because what will happen in the exam, this will also give you a boost, like I've read everything like 2 3 times, and it will also be helpful in the exam. Like if you read one subject once or one subject thrice, yes, reading something thrice will be more beneficial. So this is what I'm trying to say, कि try to read everything very fast now, and don't get stuck at something which you don't get it. If you're not getting it, okay, leave it, move on to next subject, move on to next page, next thing, next topic, whatever. The more you will be familiar with your notes, the more you will be able to recall it faster in the exam, because you have to recall all the answers very fast. You have to choose very quickly. And one thing I want to say at the end is, to not compare your marks, your preparation, anything with any of your friends. This is the point. You have to keep reminding yourself that yes, you have studied enough, you have done enough, and you are going to pass. You are going on the right path, and you will definitely score good. And in the end, all I want to say is just trust your preparation, trust yourself, believe in yourself. Don't think that one random Tuesday, if you're feeling bad or you had a bad day or a bad revision, doesn't mean your preparation will go in vain, or you will not pass. Okay, you will definitely make it. Just you have to do is in this last days, you just have to show up for yourself, even if you feel low, even if you feel like not studying. Study a little or try to push yourself as much as you can on these days. And yes, because these days are very important, you will remember the maximum you will read on these days. So try to read faster and do not pressurize yourself. That's all I wanted to say, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.